Hello guys, today we learn some Microsoft Word shortcut keys which can be used any uh, editors or it is benefit for all the editors. Now first we here learn in Microsoft Word. Now let us one open document Microsoft Word and I have already typed here like the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Basically, a English language paragraph. This is sentence that contains all the letters of the alphabet, or it can be used when all the letters in the alphabet need to be shown. So now open see first line like Ctrl+0, which means toggle 6 point of spacing above the paragraph. So let us see, I put here cursor and press Ctrl 0. So you can see 6 points will be down. When again we press Ctrl plus 0, it's up with 6 points. Now see another shortcut key like Ctrl plus A means select all the content of the page. I have opened the word and when you press Ctrl plus A, it will be selected all the content in this page. Now go to second like Ctrl plus B, bold highlighted selections. Like when you select one things like it can be used when all the letters in the alphabet and when you press Ctrl B, the selected letter can be bold. Like I have pressing Ctrl B. You say you here see it can be bold showing. When again we press Ctrl V, it will be normal font. When Ctrl B, it can be bold. Now go to second like Ctrl+C copy selected text. Now I here I selected some text and press Ctrl+C. So means that can be copied. When I want to copy to paste the selected text, so I have put here Ctrl V. So selected copy text can be pasted here. Now again there is one shortcut key like Ctrl+D. Open the font preference of the current window. So when I put cursor here and Ctrl D, it can be open the font and whatever you font to take out like strike or double strike out superscript or subscript, it can be done here from these font options. Now go to another like Ctrl+E. Align the line or selected text to the center of the screen. So when I select this one, when I press Ctrl+E, it can be aligned at the center. Now when there is another shortcut key Ctrl+F, open the find box. So press here cursor and put here and press Ctrl+F. We can see navigations, and there is option to search like heading, pages, and result. So put like quick. So you can see the whenever the quick word is found in the document, that can be color in yellow. So here you can find through the Control F. Now there is another shortcut key in MS Word, Ctrl+I, means italic highlighted selections. So whenever like contains some text of this document and press Ctrl I, so you can see that text will be in italic. Now see another Ctrl J, align the selected text, justify the screen. So like if we select whole content in document and press Ctrl J, that can be aligned. Ctrl K, insert a hyperlink. If you want to make a hyperlink in this document, so select some part of the text where you want to hyperlink and press Ctrl K. A open box will be open like exist file or a web page, and address you can put here where you want to go. Now Ctrl+L, align the line as selected text to the left of the screen. So select this one and press Ctrl L, that should be aligned to the left, like you can see this one. Now another shortcut key like Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph. Select this one and press Ctrl M. That will be shifted from left to right. Indent the paragraphs from left to right. And there is another shortcut key in Word like open a Control N, open new blank document window. So when you press Control N, a new document will be open in MS Word file. Control O, open the dialog box or page for selecting a file to open. When we press Ctrl+O, it will open a file. When there is another command like Ctrl+P, open the print window. See, and I am going to press Ctrl+P. So your print option will be open and you can print through printer or PDF file as you want. Ctrl R, another shortcut key in the MS Word, like align the line of selected text to the right of the screen. Like you have selected some text on the document, when you press Ctrl+R, the selected text will be aligned with right. Like you can see, this will be right. Now Ctrl+S, save the open document like Shift F12. If you can see, this document will if not save, so you can press Ctrl S and there is a save option will be open and you can save it. And another command like Alt+F A, save the document under different file name. So if you when you press Alt+F A, so you can save the document to another name. Alt X, show the Unicode of highlighted character. Alt+X. If any Unicode will be there, and select that part, and when you press Alt X, it will show highlighted Unicode correct. Alt X. So there is no Unicode character in this selected text. Now another shortcut key, Ctrl+T, create a hanging indent. So select this one, and when you press Ctrl+T, it will be hanging indent, like you can see this and this. If you want to underline a text, selected text, so you can press Ctrl U, like you have select the text, and when you press Ctrl U, that selected text will be gone underline. And another text shortcut key like Ctrl V, like when you copy through, press Ctrl+C, and if you want to paste this, you have to press Ctrl V. That line will be pasted. So need to copy again if the same content is there. Ctrl+W, close the currently open document. If you want to close this document, you press Ctrl+W. And when you click don't save, that document will be closed. Ctrl+X, cut selected text. If you want to cut this text from here and put another place, so simply you have to press Ctrl+X. That text will be cut here, and if you want to paste here, so again you have to press Ctrl+V, and that text will be pasted. And you can also see another shortcut key, Ctrl+Y, redo the last action performed. If you want to redo the cut text, so you have to press Ctrl+Y. That text will be comes again, like you have cut and control. Redo the last action perform. Control Z, undo the last action. Like if you want to cut this text and then want to again switch this text, simply you have press Control Z. That text will be appear again. And you can see Ctrl+Shift+A. Set the selected text to all capital letters. So here is so all the text will be small. So if you want to convert in all capital letters, so you have to put Control Shift, press Control Shift A. Then all text will be capital letters. And another command shortcut key like Ctrl+Shift+D, add the double underline to the selected text, so you can check it. Control, press Shift and D. All the text will be double line, underline, and Ctrl+Shift+A, open the font window to change the font. So then what you have to Ctrl+Shift+F to change the font. And another short key, Ctrl+Shift+L, quickly create a bullet line. So select the text on the document and press what? For bullet line, Ctrl+Shift+A, Ctrl+Shift+A, sorry, Ctrl+Shift+L. So you can see bullet line will be created on its text. And there is one most I think important, like increase selected font +1 up to 12 points and increase font +2 points. You simply put Ctrl plus Shift plus greater sign. So put Ctrl Shift greater sign. So you can see font will automatically increasing, and when you press Ctrl Shift greater sign, font will be increased. When you push Ctrl Shift lesser sign, font will be. And there is one more command, like increase the selected font +1 point. You can press Ctrl plus square bracket. So select this one text and Ctrl Shift square. Ctrl plus square. So you can see font will be increasing. Ctrl Shift less, so decrease selected fonts -1 point if 12 points are lower. If above 12, decrease font +2 points. And when you press Ctrl plus square bracket, then decrease selected font -1 points. When you press Ctrl plus C, insert a C sign. When you press Ctrl plus this and character, insert a character accent acute mark where carries character if you want. For example, if you wanted a accented E, you would use Ctrl this E as your shortcut key. To reverse the accent mark, use the opposite accent mark often found on the tilde key. Ctrl Shift plus view or hide non-printing characters. Ctrl press left arrow move one word to the left, and Ctrl press right arrow move one word to right. And when you press Ctrl plus F arrow move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Ctrl F arrow move to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Ctrl F arrow put here, and put Ctrl up plus arrow. If your cursor is here, when you press Ctrl up arrow, that cursor will comes with paragraph first or line first. Ctrl down plus arrow moves you to the end of paragraph. When you press Ctrl plus down of arrow, that will go end of the line. Ctrl plus del delete the word to right of cursor. When you put here cursor and put Ctrl plus del, right character will be deleted. Ctrl plus back effect delete word to the left cursor, and Ctrl plus in move the cursor to the end of document. So put here your cursor and Ctrl plus int, that comes to the end of the document. Ctrl plus home moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. And when you put this Ctrl plus spacebar, reset highlighted text to the default font. Ctrl plus one single space lines. When you put this one, Ctrl plus one single line spacing, two double line spacing, and when you press Ctrl 5, 1.5 line spacing. When you put like Ctrl plus equal, set this text as a subscript, like put here cursor Ctrl plus equal, Ctrl plus equal, you can see that is subscript. Ctrl Shift plus equal, like if you put here Ctrl Shift plus, that will be superscript. So the text sometimes anywhere in the document in Word file. Con- Ctrl+Alt+T insert trademark TM symbol. Ctrl+Alt+1 change text to heading 1. Ctrl+Alt+2 change text to heading 2. And when you press Ctrl+Alt+2 change text to heading 2. And when you press Ctrl+Alt+3 changes heading to headline 3. If you press Ctrl+F1 open the task pane. If you press Ctrl+F2 display the print preview. When you press Ctrl+Shift greater sign increase the font size of selected text by 1 point. When you press Ctrl+Shift less sign decrease the font size text by 1 font. Ctrl+Shift F6 is the another open Microsoft Word document. Ctrl+Shift F12 print the document. F1 open L, F4 repeat the last section. Perform. When you press F5 open the find place and go to window in Microsoft Word. F7 spell check and grammar check selected text or document. When you press F12 save as will be appear. When you press Shift F3 change the text in Microsoft Word from uppercase to lowercase or capital letter at the beginning of every word. Shift F7 runs tracer checks and selected words. Shift F12 save the open document like X, Ctrl+S and Shift plus Enter create a soft break instead of new paragraph. Shift plus Insert paste. Ctrl+D insert the current date and Ctrl+T insert the current time. So this is all the shortcut key in the MS Word. So you can learn from here. So one more time you can see the document. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.